currently working with that. Okay, and better to say Maven update once, guys. Better to say update project once. That's good. Update project once. Let me check the Java version compatibility also. Java version compatibility. I think 17 fine, but on safe side 11 I'll take, Raghav. On safe side I'll take what? 11. I don't want to take chance. Okay, that's good. Fine. Yeah, that's good. Listener is ready, guys. Okay, now look at the jars also that are coming. Hey, where is Maven dependencies section? Not coming. Oh, not coming. Maven dependencies section is libraries. Maven dependencies 2.7.6 and Spring versions also changed nicely, guys. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now go to reader. Here is actually we work with ready-made readers, ready-made writers, but to feel the things, I'm going for this book item reader. What is there? Add. Here is my item reader. Here is my what? Item reader. This is Java batch. This is Spring batch. You have to select Spring batch. Things are not there. T. What is the T? I'm going to read everything as string only, boss. Because each item comes as a string only, na, boss. Let's make this one as a Spring Bean first, @ component. Here I will take private string array. String array better, we'll take list collection. List we'll take a string we'll take a. Anything we can take. Let me check what I have maintained originally. What I have maintained originally, guys. This is runner. Okay, runner ka chodo. Yeah, look at the reader, guys. Look at the reader. Yeah, here I have taken array only. What is there? Array. Array, if I taken one count variable, if count is less than, then each time I'm reading one item, boss, nothing else. Otherwise, I'm returning null or not there. You can take a list collection also. Okay. New string array. Tell me famous Java books, guys. Okay. Black Book of Java, BBJ. Complete reference of Java. Next. Thinking in Java. Hey, these are real books which I studied. I don't know. Thinking in Java. Next one. Effective Java. Study this book, guys. Effective Java by Joshua Bloch. Your thinking on core Java will change. But it is programmer to programmer. It's not for the first time. What is that? Entry level reader, boss. It's thinking in Java. Next one, effective Java by Joshua Bloch. Head first Java, Kathasira. You know that book? Online edition is available. Study that Kathasira. Book reading is not book reading. It looks like a reading comic stories. Lot of diagrams, lot of comic stories feeling you will get. Okay, at first Java, at first design pattern. At first is the series name, book title series, guys, right? Online editions are available. If possible, you study. Right. Okay. Now tell me. Here I'm taking one variable into count. Count 0. Tell me here. If count to less than, what is that? Count to less than, variable name is not taken, books. Count less than books dot length. Return. First return, then increment the count. First return, then increment the count. Books of count to plus plus. First 0 submits. 0th book is returned. Okay, then increment the count by 1. Next time it returns first book are not there. Okay, that's good. Else. What is there, guys? Return null. Else, what is there, guys? Else, what is there, guys? Written. Are you comfortable, my dear? Okay, let me give the feeling. This read method is executing each time. I have to give the feeling, na read method is executing. That's good. Okay. Uh, uh, class name. Oh, boot item reader. Fine. Good. You identified the wrong name. Book item reader. Or if don't like book, you take something else. What is there in that? Yeah. See, when items are over, then it has to return null only, na? When not there, what it will do, boss? It has to return null. If it is database, after last record, it returns null. Predefined writers also do the same thing. Right now is custom writer. I have to take care of everything. Fine. Any confusion on reader part, guys? Any confusion? My dear introverts, speak out. Speak out. I don't want head movements. I want lip movements. Sound. Okay. When you are angry on someone, you will shout, na? When you love someone with authority, you will ask, na? I want that kind of answers. Angry emotion or authority emotion, I want. Okay. The Discovery India by Nehru. Okay. I think even Rahul Gandhi also discovered India, na? By walking across the India, right? No, he has not explored India. Fine. Okay, leave it. Rahul Gandhi also discovered, na? But the problem is he discovered India after spending in India for 15 years. Yes or no, na? Fine, whatever it is. Let's not get into that dirty politics. We'll stick to our subject, boss. Otherwise, Bhakt will come into picture. What? Bhakt will come into pictures, right? Yeah. Let's go for processor. Tell me, where is this? Class, book item processor, implement item processor. Okay, Spring related one only I am taking, guys. Input string only. Array, item is string, output also string only, na? Input string, output string. How to make it as a Spring Bean? At the rate. Okay, to give the feeling, sys trace. Sys trace. Okay, now what I'm going to do, check it out. Switch. What is there? Switch array. If condition I can write, switch also I can write. Switch. Okay. Switch item. Switch item. Case. Switch item. I think flower bracket is required. Huh? I don't know how long back I used it, boss. I think in core module also 1-2 times we used it themes. Okay. Case. Tell me. Case. What is this? At first Java, na? Case at first Java, right? Yeah, if it is at first Java, then what I am trying to do, guys? Okay, then what I am trying to do? Return item plus by. Array, why by? I will keep dash dash. Katha Sierra. What is there? Katha Sierra. Case. Okay. We will type Babu. Yeah, tell me. Thinking in Java. Okay, thinking in Java. Thinking in Java is given by whom, guys? Thinking in Java is given by, I forgot the name, guys. Very famous book that is also. Fine, we have Chat GPT now. Why do you take tension? Natrasar, Natrasar teaches the subject, not writes the books. Okay. Because I generally don't encourage reading books. Because for software guys, what is need of books, guys? Everything is there in internet. In this generation of what? Chat GPT generation, book reading is really meaningless, right? At least, okay. Everything is coming here, right? And moreover, and writing book has become dead easy after arrival of what? Chat GPT. Yes. Who has written book, he also don't know what he has written. That kind of book it will write. Okay. Ah, Mark, something is there, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Thinking in Java. What name, guys? Author. Thinking in Java. Bruce Eckel. Very famous name, I forgot. B. Then next one. Black Book of Java. Okay. RNR is a Indian boss. Next one. Effective Java. Joshua Bloch. Joshua Bloch. Next. Okay. Anyone else? Only how many books we have taken, guys? Oh, CRJ. CRJ means what? Complete reference of Java. Complete reference of Java. I think this is given by Herbert Shield and Patrick Norton. Herbert Shield and what? Patrick Norton. Tell me what is there? Default. Okay, default. Written null. And after that, nothing is there to write. I'm simply saying written null or not. I'm simply saying written null or not there. Okay, that's good. Okay, processor is also right, my dear. What is ready? Processor is also ready. Now I have to develop my own writer or not there. Class, tell me. Any queries from online, guys? I read around 20 novel per year, sir. Okay. Okay. No, novel reading is not bad, but instead of reading novels, try to read autobiographies. Try to read what? Autobiography. Because there is a truth in that. If at least 80% truth will be there. If not possible, there are personality development books are there. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Atomic Habits. So if you cannot read, at least purchase what is the audio books. And whenever you are traveling, whenever you are walking, so try to listen them. If you implement 10% of it, your life will change. If you implement 10% of it, your life will change. Right? Okay. Okay, fine. Calm down. Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits is a nice one. You have to read it. But right now, don't divert your mind here and there. Okay, happily focus on job. After getting job, as I given in the initial days, you have to work for 13 days, but you will get salary of 30 days. And remaining days, you want to spoil by going to entertainment, clubbing, okay, chit-chatting, gossiping. That is one way. Another way is what? You want to build your personality, you want to live disciplined life, then choose the books, go for workouts, build your physical personality and mental personality. That's another one. There are two ways, but there is one more way. Okay. 6 months, enjoy like anything because you are sacrificed many things, right? 6 months, entire, you got 100% salary, spend 100% salary for what? Entertainment, purchasing, okay? You should see peak of it. And seventh month onwards, back to normal life. Otherwise, what happens, like 1 hour other day, you will sit and think, why I'm living the life? Until get the job discipline. After getting job discipline, definitely, right? So that's why first 6 months, from first salary, purchase insurance. First investment, what you have to do in your life is what? Purchase life insurance or health insurance, right? Anyhow, if you are a good company, they only give health insurance. You need not to worry much about health insurance. Okay, purchase one life insurance. That's the only investment you do. All 6 months complete salary for enjoyment. Seventh month onwards, you should back to what? Building your career, building your personality, and building your personal life. Everything you have to do it. Fine, let's come back. Who will listen, sir? I will listen to my girlfriend only. Who will listen to you? All right. Fine. I know that. Okay. Book item writer, right? Tell me, what is this? Item writer. Item writer. This is a T. Okay. Stringa, list stringa. String only, right? Yeah. But it is taking list string or not there? Because why list strings are? Are a batch size is 3. If batch size is 3, it will give 3 items to write at a time or not there. If batch size is 2, it will give 2 items. To store those 2 items, collection is required or not? Okay, that's why it has taken what? Collection. In Spring Boot 3.x, this list has given as a chunk. Chunk is also extension of list collection internally. Okay, sys trace, guys. That's good. Okay, tell me. Processed items are, I'm not doing anything, Babu, just items. So I will get each book along with the title according to batch size what I have chosen now, boss. Yes or no, na, guys? See, though there are batch size is 3, reads each item, process each item, only for writing it will select 3 items. Read 3 times to get 3 individual item. Process 3 times to process 3 individual item. But since batch size is 3, okay, it will write 3 item at a time to console. Right now, I'm not choosing any serious destination. That's why it will use console as the destination or not there. Okay, reader, writer is ready. Okay, fine, guys. Now, to do all these configurations, step configuration, job configurations, right? Any other configuration. I can keep in main class main because that is also configuration class. See, 1 to @ bean method means I can write in main class. This is also acting as a configuration class. When multiple there, when multiple are there, it's always encouraged to work with what? Separate configuration file and link with main configuration file. There's no need of separately linking with main configuration file, guys. Come on. There is no need of linking with what? Separately with main configuration file, guys. Because, because if you take this configuration class under the root package, or on the sub package of root package, it automatically scanning will happen or not there. Okay, now for that, what I do, guys, new, where is this package? com.nt.config. com.nt.config. New class. Where is this, guys? AppConf. AppConfig.java. @configuration. Yeah, tell me. No, not of component scanning. Tell me. @enable batch processing. This will give some default things automatically, guys. Enable Spring Batch features and provide base configuration for setting up jobs in configuration class, roughly equivalent to batch star. So some basic things it will give automatically. I need not to create them separately. Okay, I think I will get something through auto configuration now, guys. Public job builder factory. What is there? Job builder, JB factory. Here is my what? At the rate auto. Right. That's good. Private, what is there? Step builder factory. What is this? Step factory. A step factory not sounding good. Step factory. This is ready now, boss. At the rate auto. Right. Next. Private. Job monitoring listener. Execution listener. Okay. What is my class name here? Job monitoring listener, LISTNER, at the rate auto. That's good. That's really, really good or not there? Yeah, tell me. Public book item reader. All these are spring beans now, my dear. Okay, that is a user defined already configured as spring beans. Book item reader. Here is what? At the rate auto. Sir, why are you not injecting job launcher? Job launcher is not required here. While running the job, it is required, right? Yeah, tell me next one. Private book item processor. What is there? Processor. At the rate auto. Right. That's good. Yeah, tell me. Private book item. Book item writer. What is there? Writer. At the rate auto. Everywhere we are working with at the rate auto. Right? So many things came now, boss. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now tell me. Here is my public. Okay, now I have to create first step object now, my dear. Yeah, public step. It's a predefined. Step means it's the object of a class that implements step interface. Create step one. At the rate bean. Name is equal to step one. At the rate bean, name is equal to step one. Return. Okay. SB factory dot get step one. That's the first thing. Method chaining first activity. Dot. Input is a string. Output is a string. Chunk. What is chunk choice? 3. Dot. Input is string, output is string, output is what this? What is there? Reader. Writer. Okay, next. Order is not important. Order is not important. Method chaining. Processor. All these are ready now, boss. Lastly, build. Processor, I think spelling mistake. Ready? When I given diagram shown codified, what is this confusing? Now how easy it is? Is builder factory and method chaining together is used or not? Okay, based on get method return type, chunk method is called. Chunk method is nothing but batch size, right? Based on that return type, reader is called. Based on that return type, writer. Based on that return type, processor. And lastly, build, guys. Okay, that's good. Sys trace, guys. This is my sys trace are not there. Okay. Great. Now, listen carefully. I'm trying to create a job object now, boss. What is there? Job one. What is this, guys? Job one. Sys trace. Return. What is there? Job factory dot. What is there? Get. What is there? Job one. Job factory dot get job one. Yeah, tell me. incrementer, new, run ID, incrementer. In sequence, steps should be taken. Okay, then what is that? Listener. Listener. Listener also I have injected na boss. Listener. Dot. Next one. Yeah, listener. Tell me. Step. Start step. Start step. Array, I'm calling method means indirectly step object is passed or not there. Okay. Lastly, build. Array, there are no there only one step is there. I'm pass. If other steps are there, dot next, another step, not next, another step. Anything great in this, guys? Okay. Okay, right now, what is the one I have to take? Job. Create a job one. Okay, fine. What's happening? Return type should be job object or not there. Return type should be job object or not there. Spring Framework job. Yes, this one only. Are you comfortable, my dear? Convinced with me, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there? Okay. I think we thought everything is complex. More things are becoming easy, boss. Okay, we are configured everything. Everything is given. So now we have to go for runner class. There we need to think about executing this job or not there. For that one, we need a job launcher support, my dear. New, where is this? Class. What is that? Boot batch. Boot batch test runner. Add, implement, command line runner, save finish, at the rate component, private, job launcher, what is there? Luncher, private, job. For both I am going to keep at the rate auto. Here also I am going to keep at the rate auto. Fine. Okay. Run the job. What's the job, guys? Run the job. Job execution. Execution is equal to, okay, launcher dot. What dot? Launcher dot run. It is expecting job object pass it. It is asking to pass parameters, boss. Passing parameters is optional. Okay, maybe one additional parameters, guys, but there is a rhythm to pass those parameters. Okay, directly we cannot pass parameter. There's a rhythm to pass parameter. Let me show that. Job parameters builder dot add long time system dot current time millisecond to job parameter. Job parameter builder, from there we are building parameter and we are getting the parameter. Okay, tell me. New job parameter. New job parameter builder dot add what is there? Add date. Okay, add date. What is the parameter? Sys date. Okay, sys date. What is the rhythm, guys? Add date. Add date, comma, here itself. What is there, guys? New date of 2. What is there? Job parameter. Control plus shift plus O. Control plus shift plus O. Which job? Interface job only, correct one, guys. Java.util date only, correct. And nothing is there. System date I am passing as a parameter. Passing is optional, but since I know I am doing. Directly I am preparing parameter, guys. Using builder, I am preparing the parameter. Convinced, guys? Yeah. Tell me next one. System.out.println. Tell me. Job execution status. Job execution status. Execution dot get exit status. I'm just asking when it is exited, right? Okay. Now the question is, from array it will take each book title. As a processor, it will process the title, guys. Come on. As a writer, once three items are ready, it will write to the console or not there. It will write to the console or not there. And all these are taken care by my Spring Boot batch strong concept or not there. Check it out. Go to this place, guys. Where is this? Application.java. Maybe class name is very lengthy. That's why it has come like this. Fine, no problem. Boot batch pros01 application. Boot batch pros01 application. Same thing. Let me pass over here, guys. Same thing. Let me pass over here. Dot class. That's great. Yes. Okay. Here also. Yeah. This is also pass. Fine. Let's see. Read process method one each time. But write method carrying three items because batch size is three. Chunk size is nothing but batch size. Run as Java application. Check it out. Okay. Exception came. No problem. What is the exception? App config required. Bean type writer. Book item writer that could not be found. I will tell the reason. I will tell the reason. Oh, I think there is no need of writing component scan also. Book item writer. I think I have the blunder I have done is I forgot to add @ component on the top of the writer if my guess is right. @ होता है छोटे छोटे गलती होता है fine. Yes na my dear fine. Or right click run as Java application. Check it out. Everything through pre-instantiation. Port number 8080 is already used. Array H2 database runs on what? 8080 with no port number is chosen, right? Fine, that's good. Okay. See, server.port is very flexible property, guys. If it is server port number. If it is database port number, right? Okay, that's good. Tell me. Embedded. Embedded or in memory, both are one and the same, Rabab. Embedded HTTP port. Server dot port is equal to 4041. Server dot port is equal to 4041. That's great. Run as, what is there? Java application. That's good, guys. Check it out. Check it out here. Observe this. Read three times, one by one. Process three times, one by one, right? Okay, three books have come now. BBJ, CRJ, and TIJ. That's good. Read actually two times. Third time read, got the null. That's why not doing. Though three times, but two items only read. That's a process also two times. But write one time. Here write one time 3. Here write one time 2. Because total 5 items, na leftover items are what? Once 3 are left out, 3 are gone. How many left out items are there? 2 are there. Write is happening only for what? Okay, 2 times overall, right? Because batch size is 3. 5 by 3 means what? 1 point something, but no flow, no floating point. So it is two times. 2 times 5 items are written or not there. My theory and practical is matching or not matching. Read item once, process item one, again read, again process until batch size items are ready to process. Batch size items are ready to write. Once ready, it will use write method writes to the destination. Right now, simple thing I have taken. Why? How I want to make you people to understand what's happening internally, boss. That's why. Okay. Sir, you said that internally job repository, H2 database, all this hangama. Give me the feeling there is H2 database in this project. But what is the lifetime of that H2 database? As long as application is executing. But application execution happens in 30 second, 40 second because it's the simplest application, right? So better to make application waiting for my endpoint or not there. So what I do is thread.sleep, okay, but better than thread.sleep, I have some more thing, guys. Batch test runner, guys. Exit status you are printing now, my dear. Okay, I think before job, after job, this is executing or not. Check it out. Console, boss. Job ended at some time, 33 seconds only taken. Exit code is completed or not there. Before job is executing and started at what? 7:51. Ended at what? Ended at 7:51. Maybe change is in milliseconds. Okay, job execution time is what? 33 milliseconds. That's why you won't find that. Okay. Tell me next one. Why second time this is coming before job? Read method. Before job, read method. Why 2 times it is coming? Yeah. Yeah, I will tell. I will tell the things. Okay, I will tell the things, guys. The moment application started, job should not execute automatically. Yes. To tell that, what should I do? To tell that, what should I do? There are some special property that I have to mention. What is the special property that I have to mention? Initialize schema, something will be there. Wait, Babu. Wait. 1 minute. Maybe here, yes. Spring dot, batch dot, job dot enabled false indicates whether batch code should execute on the application startup or demand. False means what? True means on application startup. You call run method, you don't call run method. You call job launcher dot run method or don't call, it will start, guys. False means what? Until you call run method, nothing will happen. Okay, for example, default value is how much? Default value is false. That means it won't run until you call. So for example, I did everything, but I commented what? Runner class. That means no run method, no run job launcher dot run method. Does the job executes automatically, guys? Does the job executes automatically, guys? Okay, 1 minute. Previous application is not ended. Now run it, guys. Now run it, my dear. See, guys, any, what is there? Still is, though I am not calling run method, still are happening or not there? Why it is happening? Okay. Why it is happening? Because by default job is enabled, automatically enabled. Okay. Yeah. Enable job execution. Enable or disable job execution on the application startup. Yeah. What is that, guys? Spring dot. Tell me. Batch dot. Job dot. What is there? Enabled is equal to false. Default true, guys. Okay. And now I said false. Okay. Default true. I said false. Run as Java application. Okay. Array. Yeah. Go to test runner. At the end of everything, terminate the application automatically. Terminate the application. System dot exit 0. What dot exit 0, guys? System dot exit 0. Right click, run as Java application. Let's stop previous ones. Actually, component is in stopped mode now, guys. Component is in stopped mode. Fine, leave it. So now all stopped now, boss. I said false. I said false. Check it out. Anything done, guys? Any job execution? No. You okay? Stop the application, guys. What is there? True. True. Though I am not calling run method, runner is completely in off mode, right? Still happily job executed or not there. So automatically job should execute or not. Suppose false is there. What is there? False is there. That's good. Okay. False is there. But still I want to see job executing, guys. Then I have to call run method. Job launcher dot run method or not. I have to call job launcher dot run method or not there. Okay, if I activate runner, job launcher dot run method will be called automatically now, my dear. This time also job is executing or not there. Say something, my dear. So that means batch processing should start automatically on application startup or until you demand it. That can be decided by using this property or not there. That happily can be decided using this property. That's up to you. Okay. Because these are background application, guys. Okay. They enable true. Once run, it will stop after 1 year, 2 years only. That too for maintenance of the project. So that's why automatically they will keep it, guys. But fine, sir. I want to see. I want to see the H2 database tables representing job repository. Yes. In-memory database I enabled or not there. Observe, guys, I said console dot enabled true. That means I'm asking to show your data this. But for that, what I am asking, there is one more property that I have to respect, guys. Spring dot batch dot JDBC dot initialize schema. Those tables should be created or not created. Right now, I have not placed it, guys. For example, not placed. Check it out. HTTP, what is there? HTTP port number 4041 H2 console. What, guys? H2 console. Not coming? Maybe URL is wrong. Sometimes too much of Java is good for health or bad. It's not server. Wait. H2 console. What is that? H2 console. Starter web is added. Huh? No, 6061 na? That's why. If you have taken 4041, 404. That's completely our choice, guys. That is completely our choice. Wait a minute. What's the port number I have taken? 1 minute. Why it is not coming? Because end of the application. End of the application means database gone, na? Is my application running mode, guys? It's a H2 is an embedded database or a permanent data. So embedded database means what? It will be there as long as application is executing or not there. So come to this runner, exit guys. I am not saying exit. Okay. System sys out. Do you want to end the application? Do you want, or otherwise, press any key to end the application. Any key to stop the application. Press any key to stop the application, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Scanner. Hey, why scanner? To press any key, what is need of? System dot in dot read. You press any key, it will stop now, boss. And anyhow, after that, system dot exit execute. Application will be terminated or not there. Okay, that's good. Great. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Press any key to in this one. That means application is still running. The red mark is in active mode. Come to H2 console, guys. Came or not came? Control plus plus. That's good. H2 driver, test DB, username root, password is what? Root. Click on what? Test connection. Connection successful. Because whatever given it is there. Say connect. Say connect. Fine. See, some tables are automatically created, guys. You select the table, run the query. Okay, right now one job is executed and job related information is coming. Job execution details are coming. That information is coming, my dear. Come on. And step execution details are coming. 1 minute. Query gone wrong. Step execution details are coming or not there. Step execution details are coming there or not there, guys. Say run. So we are getting the output over there or not there. Job instance details are coming or not there. Okay, 1 minute. Job instance details. Job instance. Okay. Job related information. Guys. This is in memory I created. What is the database name, guys? H2. H2 is there coming or not there? Right now, no database is involved. We have to take H2 database, no option. Sir, why did you add web starter? It is not a web application. And if it is not a web starter, how I get this console for H2 database? That means total how many starters I have added? 3 starters. Web starter to see this in console in browser, and H2 starter to work with H2 database as in-memory DB. And one is officially what? Spring Boot batch starter. What is that? Spring Boot batch starter. Right, guys? Fine. So this is the basic application development. Anything great, guys? We got the job. We call the run method. Job is linked with the step. Step is linked with the reader writer processor. According to the plan, reading one item, processing one item, waiting all 3 items to complete, then writing to destination or not. Theory looks very lengthy, but practicals are quite easy or not there. Then what is there to learn, sir? Or we have to deal with the different readers, different writers, so that we can read from different sources, we can write to different destination. That too not small amount of data, huge amount of data we have to take. But this is still 2.x now, sir. I want this example in what? 3 point. I want this example in what? 3 point. Okay, before going to 3-point text, okay, I want to use certain object that is coming through auto configuration only in one or two at the rate bean method of configuration class, not in all at the rate bean method of configuration class. What should I do? Some objects are coming through auto configuration. Let us assume X and Y. But in my configuration class, I'm going to 20 at the rate bean method. But only in two methods I want to use X and Y. I don't want to use X and Y in all the 20 at the rate bean method. What should I do? What should I do? Tell me. I want reply, my dear. Tell me, my dears. We have to pass them as parameters of at the rate bean method. I think at least 11 o'clock students should tell answer. Why? Because in interacting with the two database, I introduced this concept or not. Right? Okay. Revise. See, you have an object that is a spring bean, maybe coming through auto configuration or manual you made a spring bean. But I don't want to use an all at the rate bean method of configuration class. I want to use in specific 1-2 methods of what? Configuration class. You can happily take them as parameters of at the rate bean method. It's possible. Suppose step builder factory, I don't want to use an every at the rate bean method. I want in one method. While creating that at the rate bean method, you can pass what? Step builder factory as parameter or not there. We can pass it as what? Step builder factory as parameter or not there, guys. Say something, my dear. Come on. Got the clarity or not there? Okay, that's good. Great. Fine. Yeah. So tomorrow when we meet in 7:15 a.m., 7:15 a.m., timing is already decided. I am not asking your opinion. I am not giving choice also. It, 7:15. 7:15 a.m. is the session. 7:30 या fine, I don't have problem, but क्या फर्क पड़ता है 15 minutes में, right? At least daily you won't do. Then one day you do bit lately. What is there in that? Fine. Okay. 7:15 or 7:30 in between, I'll start the session. But tomorrow, first session is what? Converting this application into 3-point text and taking one serious application, Excel sheet data. I want to convert into what? Database data. Or database data, I want to convert into Excel sheet data. Their predefined reader writers comes into picture. Okay, but 3-point text is a little different, guys. So first our focus is on converting this application into 3-point text. Fine. Okay. Now let me introduce you people. Let me introduce to you people. He belongs to 11 o'clock batch. Okay. He got a job in a company called Omicron Digital Services, which is a Dubai-based company, right? Okay. Adib, come. I think your batchmate is already spoke with you people. Noor already spoke, na? Right. Anyone knows Jatin Tiwari? You know him? Okay. Bring him tomorrow. Tomorrow means Monday. So what should I say? What should I say? Okay, he's asking what should I say? You just say what you have said to interviewer to get the job. What is your planning of preparation, right? And what kind of questions you got to the from the interviewer, and what kind of confidence you have shown. Your so many batchmates also attended that interview. Why they have not got the job? Why you got the job? Where they are lagging behind, and what extra thing you have shown, right? You just Explain so that it will help others.
So good evening.
In this whole process, don't forget to tell your name and location.
So good evening. Good evening, guys. My name is Sheikh Adib Altab, and I am from Kolkata. So basically, in interview, I just get job in Omnicore, and it's a backend. So I forgot. Not feeling well. That's why, sir.
Morning you spoke. In the morning you spoke well. Ratta mar kya hai kya? Huh? Wow, rest fella. Okay, speak in Hindi.
So good evening, guys. My name is Sheikh. So basically, it was a Omnicore digital solution. So it's a Dubai-based company.